Imagine a classroom where students don't just read about biotechnology, they become biotechnologists. At Amgen Biotech Experience Los Angeles, we believe every student deserves the opportunity to experience the excitement of authentic scientific discovery. Through hands-on laboratory investigations, teacher professional development, and meaningful industry connections, we are transforming STEM education across Southern California. For many students, biotechnology can feel distant, something that happens in research institutions or pharmaceutical companies far from their everyday lives. ABE-LA changes that. As part of the global Amgen Biotech Experience program, ABE-LA provides middle school and high school teachers with the equipment, curriculum, reagents, and training needed to bring real-world biotechnology into their classrooms at no cost to schools. Teachers gain confidence through comprehensive professional development workshops led by experienced biotechnology professionals. They return to the classrooms equipped not only with materials, but with the knowledge and support needed to inspire curiosity, critical thinking, and scientific literacy.
One of the greatest feelings that I've personally ever experienced was just watching that and seeing the out-of-this-world joy that is shown on a student's face when they finally have that aha moment. And then you get to throw in all these really cool toys that happen in the ABE program. And yeah, I mean, it's phenomenal. And I feel very, very blessed to say that I've had several students that wanted to pursue sort of avenue in the biotech industry after they've gone through my classes. And, you know, beyond a shadow of doubt, the best reward I feel I could ever get is to hear that.
Students take on the role of scientists as they explore concepts such as genetic engineering, DNA analysis, electrophoresis, and bacterial transformation. They ask questions, analyze data, troubleshoot experiments, and communicate their findings, developing the same skills used by professionals in today's biotechnology workforce. But ABE-LA is more than a curriculum. It is a community. Through partnerships with organizations such as the local colleges, the LAOC Biotech Center, and industry professionals, students gain exposure to pathways they may have never considered possible. They meet scientists who look like them, hear stories of perseverance and innovation, and begin to envision themselves pursuing careers in biotechnology, healthcare, research, engineering, and beyond.
The program really was my first introduction to biotechnology. I mean, currently, I'm now trying to pursue an associate's degree in biotechnology. So yeah, I would say it really pushed me and elevated me to pursue a career in biotech and education biotech.
At its core, ABE-LA is about access. Access to high-quality science education, access to cutting-edge biotechnology experiences, access to mentors, resources, and opportunities that help students realize their potential. When we invest in teachers, we empower classrooms. When we empower classrooms, we inspire students. And when students are inspired, they become the problem solvers, innovators, and leaders our communities need. Whether you are an educator looking to bring biotechnology to your students, a partner seeking to strengthen the future workforce, or someone who believes in the power of education to change lives, we invite you to join us. Because the next breakthrough won't happen by chance. It will happen because a student was given the opportunity to ask a question, perform an experiment, and discover what they are capable of achieving. At Amgen Biotech Experience Los Angeles, we're not just teaching science, we're building futures. Join us and help inspire the next generation of scientists.